Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I apologize for my voice. Guys, it's early. It's so early. It is 5:46 a.m. Okay, a.m. But this is the only time I have this weekend. And I want to make sure I have this video out for you guys. So here we are. Tea, please. I don't know why this tea is not really helping, but you know, it is what it is. So today I have another unboxing, and I did briefly talk about it in my last video. So here is the, this is the Spa Luxtique package, right? So this brand did reach out to me to try this out, and I definitely will. I just can't do it right now, but we're gonna go through all the products. We're gonna unbox it, and you guys know me, I smell everything. I can't show you this side because I don't know why my UPS store just they put the extra label in. They hate me. Anyway, so if you guys are ready to get into this luxury spa unboxing, keep on watching. Don't know why I do that. But yeah, let's get into this luxury spa unboxing by Spa Luxtique. You guys know we're gonna bring out the mermaid knife. This is the only official unboxing knife. If you guys, I know, away from me, but like, guys, I'm tired. Stop judging me. Stop judging me. But yeah, if you're using anything else, I just feel like, why? And stop. So already packaged really, why? I sound... Alright, well, this is what we got today, so I'm sorry. But it's packaged really well with the bubble wrap. Let me just use that to lift it all out. Guys, so scared I was gonna drop everything because I usually do. But here it is. Look at this set. It's so cute. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't seen bath sets come like this in a little bathtub in years. When I say years, I mean probably since I was like a child. And I know I've been like 21 for a very long time, but like that's a long time. A long time. Let's get through the product. So this is the Lavender Dream Bath gift set. They did give me some options, but I was like, oh, lavender's great. And if you guys did not know, lavender's great for relaxing. It's supposed to relax you and help you sleep. I probably told this story before. But in high school, I had a teacher that she used to sprinkle like lavender by the desks of the rowdy kids and like some lemon by the kids that used to fall asleep. But I also got, for my birthday, I got like a little, I don't know what it's called, warmies? It's a warmie. So it's a little wolf, and you heat it up, and it has lavender, and it helps you fall asleep. So this is really why I picked it. You guys know me and sleeping don't really go together unless I'm really depressed. But lavender really does help you relax. Even if you don't fall asleep, it does absolutely help you relax. So let's get into these products. Ooh, it's such like a well put together set. So this set is supposed to give you the full luxury spa experience at home. And you guys know I do not like, you guys know I do not like going outside. I do not like being inconvenienced. I don't want to be in the space of people all the time. So doing things at home is really for me. You guys, I even make my own boba tea because I cannot. So you get a cleanser. So you get to cleanse, soften, and moisturize, which means you get some probably. So let's open it. And I absolutely need to relax. Okay, so we back at with tonight because this is some real strong plastic, but I can't. But yeah, so I've been back in the office 3 days a week for training. You guys know I started a new position, and it's taking a toll on me. I mean, it really is. Between traveling and traffic, the lights in the office have been like doing up, like my headaches have been so bad. I've been coming home and basically like showering, trying to eat something, and like sleeping. So this weekend I absolutely really do need to relax because it was just way too much for me. And I'm going to be using this so that I can. I'm excited. So the first thing I noticed is a candle. So it's a lavender dream candle. Guys, something about me smelling everything. I just have to. I really do. And I need candles because I like them. First of all, I just want to say that as soon as I puncture, I'm just dropping things. As soon as I puncture the plastic, I immediately smell it, and it smells, I know that sound is awful. It smells so good. So it says it has lavender oil, it's paraben free. I don't know. It's free of lots of things and gluten. And there's no artificial dye. So many words, but it does smell really good, but it's not overpowering. You guys also know, like, I cannot do heavy or strong scents because it just triggers my headache and then I'm done for the day. But I think this is going to be really, really nice. When I say, guys, this is a set. Oh, this is the Lavender Dream Body Cream. What does it say? It's bubble time. I know how to use a moisturizer, so I'm not going to read that. But I have to try it. Just a little. Okay, already, before it even, like, it's thick. This is a cream. I can already, look at that little dent because I had to apply pressure. Okay, pressure. Ooh, it's thick because that little bit, it smells like something I've smelled before, but I don't know what. Obviously, it does have that lavender scent. Not terribly strong, but you smell it. I'm gonna try to. All right, once you rub it in and you disperse it, the scent is not too bad. So if you have any sensitivity to smells, you're fine. It still smells really good. Y'all, I'm tired. What if I just fall asleep because I smelled this lavender? That's crazy. It's nice. Like, it is moisturizing, but you feel, it's not one of the moisture, like hyaluronic acid, like, yes, you feel moisturized, and it's a wet moisture. This is not. This is like soaked in. It's locked in. I could already tell that. So I like that. And sorry. This, yes, guys, this is a body scrub. I love a body scrub. I just ran out of my favorite one, so right on time. I'm not gonna put it on me, but you guys know everything's gonna have a lavender scent, but I don't know to what degree. Okay, so just let me open and smell everything. Gosh. All right, just kidding. You guys know I can't open anything, so okay. Ooh. So here's what it looks. I'm just gonna leave that top on. Here's what it looks like. So it's on the drier side of the scrubs, like it's a scrub, not one of those scrubs that are a little diluted with like moisture and liquid. And it's not that strong. Like compared to the body cream, I think this is a little less fragrant. But I like it. So usually with the body scrub, I'll use it to exfoliate like before I shave. But like after I'm done showering, on my body wash everything off, I'll go in with the body scrub last because usually the ones that I use are scented and it just stays with you and you just smell really, really good and your skin is so soft. So, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. It's so hot. It's early. Forgive me. Oh, it's a body oil. Yes. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to open it. Who was I kidding? I just want to see because I know like some people don't like to use the body oils or oils with moisturizer, but I like to put on body oils after I moisturize. For me, it just locks in that moisture and I just feel better all day. Like even like after I shower, I'll put on like regular lotion and then I'll put on like on over top that I'll just add some coconut oil and organic coconut oil and it just works out for me. I just feel like I'm not dry. Oh, just gonna take a little bit. Okay, so it is on the thinner side for oils. So again, wait. I think the oil has I don't think the oil is as fragrant, which is, listen, everything does not need to have lavender, like a heavy lavender scent. Because, like, if you use them all together, layering them, it might be too much. But I don't think this is. Yeah, so these two together, I have the moisturizer on my hand and the body oil, and they feel nice. And this is how I like it. To me, again, I just feel like the oil locks in that moisture from the hand cream, from whatever moisturizer you're using, and that's how I want to be all day. Shiny, greasy. Ooh. All right, so next, what do we have? We have two. Okay, so here is so it also comes with a body brush. I just feel like this is not really, I'm assuming just from the looks of it, it's not really for like lather and to be clean, but it's like a massaging brush. Relax you, get you in the spots that your hands can't. Like, and it does have like a little strap, so you can really get up in there. So that's cool. Itchy. Yeah. So here's the brush. Two things that'll really help you relax. So these are the last two items, rightfully so. This is the bubble bath. I'm gonna test it. I want to know if it has like a really good, like it has some really good bubbles. I haven't taken a bubble bath in years, and I also have a milk bath that I have never used. But the stress in my heart and my life right now, I need to do it, and I have a tub, so it's going to happen. Ooh. All right, so again, the lavender scent, but it's not so strong or overpowering. And for me, you guys know that's so important. I'm just going to assume that the shower gel is the same. I feel like I shouldn't have to tell you guys this, but I'm going to tell you guys this because I just keep finding out more things on the internet about people and how they don't shower or they don't do. Listen, wash your legs if you want to wash your legs. Okay? Those are your legs. They're your legs. However, I'm just going to try to read a symbol. However, if you take baths, you take bubble baths, me personally, that's just me, it's just me. Yes, so, I don't know about you guys, and you guys can do whatever you want. You guys can not wash your legs, you guys can wash your hair, like do whatever you want to do. Use a washcloth, do not. When I take a bath, I absolutely have to take a shower after, like a real shower with soap, okay? I just feel like if I'm taking a bath, I'm just festering in my own dirt, you know? Like it's relaxing and it's nice, but I gotta wash that off. I gotta wash that off. So after the bubble bath, I would absolutely go in with the shower gel, but I do want to say this is probably best used in the bath. Because like I said, it's not really going to lather you up or really get the dirt, the day's dirt away, you know. So I think using this in the shower would be, using this in the bath right before you shower would be amazing, and you'll probably just feel so relaxed. But again, after the shower gel, I do like to go in with the body scrub just because the scent stays on you. It leaves you feeling really, really smooth, like soft, like butter smooth, okay? But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate this entire set. It is a gift set. I love it. Make sure you check the link down below. I'll link the actual set. This is the lavender bath gift set. They have other sets there too, and I saw like an ocean breeze something, and I think I want to try that, so I might buy that myself. Only because lavender is great for relaxing, but like an all-day thing, like usually when something is ocean breeze, it's very light and airy, and I'm gonna try it, and I wish these were in so I could smell it. But yeah, so this is the gift set. It's a really great gift set. Perfect for at-home spa, for someone who definitely needs to relax. I don't know about you, but life has been like a mess, and it's so hot. We had poor air. There's so much going on that I'm pretty sure we all need one of these. And make sure you guys, again, comment down below. Tired of telling y'all. If you guys want a skincare giveaway, I may include one of these sets. Obviously, not mine. Get your own. But I just feel like it's great to relax, and I'm all about skincare, and that does not stop with your face. Hello. We have skin all over our bodies. I want to be comfortable. But that is it, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much, Spa Luxtique, for reaching out to me. I cannot wait to get into these. And I'm not going to lie, I'm going to burn the candle absolutely right after. As soon as I cut, the candle's going on because I need to relax. But the lavender, I don't know, it's putting me out. I'm feeling a little sleepy. But yes, that is it. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.